Which one of these acts as a pacemaker in normal routine? AV node, bundle of His, Purkinje fibers, and SA node. And the right answer is SA node. The SA node generates electrical signal that passes through the atrioventricular nodes to the lower heart chambers. Xerophthalmia refers to dryness of conjunctiva, dry mouth, yellowish plaques near the inner canthus of the eyelids, fatty growth that develops under the skin. The right answer is dryness of conjunctiva. The other symptoms include night blindness, ulcers, Bitot spots, and softening of the cornea. The only artery which contains deoxygenated blood is pulmonary artery, coronary artery, inferior vena cava, and none of the above. The right answer is pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. Helen's loop is found in kidney, liver, brain, and gallbladder. The right answer is kidney. The Helen's loop holds the hemostasis mechanism to regulate the extracellular fluid, regulation of potassium, calcium, and magnesium, acid-base balance, and regulating the composition of urinary protein. Filariasis is transmitted by which of the following? Black fly, sandfly, mosquitoes, and contaminated water. The right answer is mosquitoes. The other symptoms of filariasis include pruritus, abdominal pain, chest pain, muscle pain or myalgia, and areas of swelling under the skin. Absorption of the drug from the gut does not happen by simple diffusion, peristalsis, active transport, and pinocytosis. The right answer is peristalsis, where it is the involuntary constriction and relaxation of the muscles of the intestine, creating wave-like movements that pushes the contents of the canal forward. The master control over the autonomic nervous system lies in the hypothalamus, thalamus, pons, and medulla oblongata. The right answer is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus holds the function of releasing hormones, regulating the body temperature, controlling the appetite level, maintenance of sexual behavior, and regulating emotional responses. Diabetic mellitus occurs due to the deficiency of insulin, glucagon, both A and B, and none of the above. The right answer is insulin. Here, insulin is responsible for allowing the glucose in the blood to enter the cells, providing them with an adequate amount of energy to function. So, when there is a deficiency, it leads to diabetes. The fundamental unit of biological system is nucleus, DNA, cell, and tissue. The right answer is cell. There are four main types of cells. They are epithelial cells, nerve cells, muscle cells, and connective tissue cells. Difficulty in breathing is called as tachypnea, bradypnea, apnea, and dyspnea. The right answer is dyspnea. Dyspnea includes symptoms as tightness of the chest, hunger for air, unable to breathe deeply, and suffocation. Hope this video was interesting and informative. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.